Are you struggling to make sense of French genders? You are not alone. In this video, I am going to explain to you why knowing the gender of a noun is important and how to memorize it more easily. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want to learn French, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Lexi. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about nouns. What is a noun? Nouns name things, objects, places, people, living things, concepts, such as table, mère, jardinier, chien, amitié. In French, each noun has a gender. There are two genders, masculine and feminine. Some nouns match with the biological gender of the person, such as family members, profession, and all the other ones, they have a grammatical gender. It is important to know the gender of a noun as it affects way more part of the sentence that you would expect. It affects the determiners. This is a small word just in front of the noun. For example, le, la, un, une, mon, ma, ce, cette. It also affects adjectives. Adjectives must agree in gender and number with the noun. Bon appétit, bonnes vacances. It also affects the subject pronoun that replaces the noun. The subject pronoun also must agree in gender and number with the noun replaced. Les couteaux sont sur la table. Ils sont sur la table. Les assiettes sont sur la table. Elles sont sur la table. Now that you know why it is important to know the gender of a noun, let's talk about obvious genders. The obvious gender depends if the person is a male or a female. For example, un homme, une femme, le garçon, la fille, ton mari, ta femme, ce monsieur, cette dame. Those are irregular nouns. Normally, to form the feminine of a noun, you just add the letter I to the masculine. Un adolescent, une adolescente, un voisin, une voisine. If the noun already ends with a I, we only change the determiner. Mon collègue, ma collègue, un élève, une élève. And some nouns have irregular feminines. Un boulanger, une boulangère. Un végétarien, une végétarienne. Un champion, une championne. Un serveur, une serveuse. Un acteur, une actrice. In some rare cases, the masculine noun doesn't change. We only change the determiner. Un enfant, une enfant. Some nouns designating people have a unique gender and can be used to talk about a female or a male. Une personne, une créature, un otage, une vedette. And for this one, if you struggle to pronounce the créature. Make sure you watch this video where I explain to you how to pronounce the French R sound correctly, especially when it is in a consonant cluster, such as ciar, créature. Some animals also have a feminine and a masculine version, such as un chien, une chienne, un chat, une chatte, un lion, une lionne. But very often, animals have a unique gender. Une mouche, une araignée, un moustique, un poisson, un oiseau. Now let's talk about grammatical genders. What I mean is the gender of things. Sometimes the ending of a word can give you a clue on its gender. So usually when a word ends with this ending, it is a feminine word. La solution. Be very careful here. Even if you see a T, it is pronounced like a s, like the little snake. La réalité. Une assiette. Sa performance. L'innocence. La chevelure. Une grossesse. La médecine. And guys, if you find this video helpful, please let me know in the comments. It will help my channel to grow and I will be able to do many more videos to help you learn French. So, as you can see, most words ending in I are feminine, except those endings that are masculine. Un bandage, un smartphone, un télescope, le sexisme. And all the other endings are masculine. Un médicament, un bol, le couteau. Though there are so many exceptions. L'eau, la plage, le silence, le problème, le squelette, that you have to understand that grammatical genders are arbitrary. They are mostly unpredictable, so you must learn them by heart. To help you memorize a gender, see a noun and its determiner as inseparable. So do not just write a noun on your notebook. Write the noun plus its determiner. For example, do not just write table. Write down une table. On your notebook, you could also highlight words using different colors. For example, pink for feminine and green for masculine. And to help you memorize words and its gender, you can also use different color post-it according to the gender. And you can stick them everywhere in your house. For example, a pink post-it on a table to say that the table is feminine, and a green post-it on a computer to say that a computer is masculine. Une table, un ordinateur. Countries also have gender. Countries that end with the letter I are feminine. La France, la Suisse, l'Angleterre. Though there are 3 exceptions. Le Mexique, le Cambodge, le Mozambique. And all the other endings are masculine. Le Canada, le Royaume-Uni, le Brésil. And last, let's see categories of things that give out its gender. Colors are masculine. Le bleu, le rouge, le vert, le jaune, le rose. colors are masculine but when used as a noun. For example, le rose te va bien. But if you use this color as an adjective, the adjective must agree in gender and number with the noun. For example, un pantalon vert, une jupe verte. Days of the week are masculine. Le lundi, le mardi, le mercredi, le jeudi, le vendredi, le samedi, le dimanche. Cardinal points are also masculine. Le sud, le nord, l'ouest, l'est. Seasons are also masculine. Le printemps, l'hiver, l'automne, l'été. Categories of trees are also masculine. Un arbre, un chêne, un palmier. And languages are masculine. Le français, le portugais, l'espagnol, le japonais, le chinois. And shops are usually feminine. La boulangerie, la boucherie, la poissonnerie, la librairie, la quincaillerie, l'épicerie. And guys, if you want to join my online French course for beginner, sign up on the waiting list to be notified as soon as I reopen the registration. The link is in the description below. And guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel and you can check this video next. You can also find the link to the video in the description below.